In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Wix partner. If you're a web developer, designer, or agency looking to expand your services and grow your business, the Wix Partner program is an incredible opportunity. This program gives you access to exclusive tools, resources, and a supportive community to help you deliver top-notch websites and services to your clients. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to join the program and what you can do while you wait for approval. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, the process begins by searching for the Wix Partner program. All you need to do is open your preferred search engine and type in Wix Studio Partner Program. This will lead you to the official Wix Partner Program webpage. Make sure you're on the correct page by verifying that it's hosted on the official Wix website. Taking this step ensures that you're accessing the right platform and avoids any confusion with third-party sites. Once you've located the Wix Partner Program webpage, navigate to its homepage. This is where you'll find all the information about the program, including its benefits, tools, and resources. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the content here, as it outlines what you can expect as a partner. On this homepage, keep an eye out for the Apply Now button. This is typically displayed prominently, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. When you've located the Apply Now button, click on it to begin the application process. This is an important step, as it initiates your journey toward becoming a Wix partner. Once you've clicked, you'll be prompted to provide information about yourself or your business. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and up to date. You may be asked for details such as your business name, contact information, and relevant experience. Take your time to fill this out thoughtfully, as this is essentially your introduction to the Wix team. Before submitting your application, it's critical to review all the details you've entered. Double-check everything to ensure there are no errors or missing information. Accuracy here is key, as any mistakes could potentially delay the application process. Once you're confident that all your details are correct, go ahead and submit the completed application form. Now, the next step is to wait for feedback from the Wix team on your application. It's important to remember that this process may take a bit of time, so be patient while they review your submission. During this waiting period, there are still plenty of things you can do to prepare for the program and make the most of your time. One thing you can do is explore the resources available on the Wix Studio Partner page and the Wix community forums. These platforms are full of valuable information, including tutorials, articles, and discussions that can help you learn more about Wix's tools and features. Familiarizing yourself with these resources will not only enhance your skills, but also demonstrate your commitment and readiness to be a part of the program. Additionally, it's a great idea to stay informed about web development trends. The industry is always evolving, and keeping up with the latest tools, techniques, and design principles will give you an edge. Make use of the time while you wait to deepen your knowledge of Wix's platform and its offerings. This will help you hit the ground running once your application is approved. And that's it. By following these steps carefully, you're on your way to becoming a Wix partner. This program offers fantastic opportunities to grow your business, connect with a thriving community, and access tools that make building websites easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.